Hello lovely family, welcome to another interesting video. So previously on this channel we made this bubu dress with a shoulder plate. So today we're going to make the one with two plates, that's double plates on the shoulder. So it's basically the same format, but the only difference here is the fact that we're pleating two on the shoulder. So I'll just show you quickly how to run through that. You can refer to the previous video to see how I did everything step by step. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. On this channel I upload videos, sewing tutorials, DIY, and let's begin. So just like we did on the other one, this is our center front and center back. Okay, so this fabric I usually fold in continuous length. I don't cut the shoulder line, I just fold along on the length of the fabric. Okay, so this is the full length of the dress that way, and I've just added 2 inches to the full length of the dress. Now this is the width of the fabric. Usually the mask come in 60-inch width, so this one is the width of the fabric, which is 60 inches. So I've placed that on fold, which means that I have 30 on each side. Now what I want to do now is to measure the neckline. Okay, so we'll just mark our neckline. For the neckline, for the neck width, we want to go with 4 inches. You can make it less or more, it doesn't really matter. We want to measure 5 at the front and 1 inch at the back. Okay, because this is for the front and back, we'll just mark this front. Back will be 1 inch. I'll just mark that there. Then when we flip over, we're going to cut the front piece. Okay, so for now I'll just cut my back piece. This is the back. Then when I turn it open, I'll cut the front piece. From the center front, you're going to mark your shoulder line, which is 8 inches. That's half of your shoulder measurement. You mark 8 inches. Then from that 8-inch point, you're going to mark the first 2 inches, and you're going to mark another 2 inches, which is to fold the first plate. Then from the point where you're folding the first plate, you're going to measure 2-inch allowance. This 2-inch will be the space between the first plate and the second plate. Now once you've marked these 2 inches, you go ahead and mark another 4 inches. That's 2 and another 2 for the second plate. Okay, so that's it for your 2 plates. Then from the point of that last plate, you want to now measure your shoulder, your sleeve length. Okay, it depends on how long you want your sleeve to be. So this will be where your actual shoulder will begin from. So just mark maybe 7 inches for the sleeve length. It could be more or less. Once you've marked your 7 inches, you want to measure, once you've marked your 7 inches, you want to measure 2 inches for your hemming allowance. Okay, then every other thing you can trim off. Now if you've measured that, let me show you how it works out. Okay, this is the 2 inches for your shoulder line. From that 2-inch point, you want to fold and create your first plate, which is 1. So that's your first plate. Now this is the space we left. Then we'll now create our second plate like that. Okay, so this is our first plate and this is our second plate. Okay, then this is our sleeve length. So from that sleeve length, you want to tuck that in, and this is what your dress will look like. Okay, if you don't want just 2 inches for your pleat, you can make it up to 2.5 if you want it bolder. Okay, but 2 inches is just fine for me. So this is what you will have when you folded your pleat and made your dress. So for the side of the dress, you just want to measure the opening of your sleeve. Okay, measure the opening of your sleeve. For this one, we're going to be working with 12 inches. So you mark your 12-inch point there, measure 4 inches inwards, then you curve that all the way to the bottom and cut. So we'll follow all the marked dots to create our pleats. The first one is on the 8-inch point, so we're going to mark our 8-inch from the shoulder line all the way to the bottom of the dress. So I've also gone ahead to cut some interfacing. Okay, so it's going to be like 2-inch width, then the length will be like the length of the dress. Okay, so this is the length of the interfacing. So I cut the width of 4 inches. So when I fold in half, then I'll place between the plates and iron it. So I'll do that for both plates. So second 2-inch point. So we continue in this same pattern until we get to the bottom on that side. Turn it the other way around, and we're going to fuse our interfacing on the second plate. You do the same on this other side. So you measure same markings and plate your 2 plates. Then you fuse your interfacing as well from top to bottom.